For this part of recording, we're going to discuss the navigation here in Maya. So first, let us discuss the tumble, track, and dolly. So here I'm pressing Alt button. While pressing the Alt button, I'm using the left mouse button. So here's the tumble to look around our object. And then next will be track. Currently, I'm still pressing the Alt button. While pressing the Alt button, click the scroll. So this one is the track. And then next will be the dolly. For the dolly, make sure to hold Alt button. And this time, I'm using the right mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Again, tumble, Alt left mouse button, track, Alt middle mouse button or scroll, and then dolly, Alt right mouse button. Next, let us practice the most important tool in modeling, the extrude tool. You will see the extrude tool here in modeling toolkit. If you're going to scroll down, here's the extrude tool. Allow me to create new scene. So just click this button or icon rather. Don't save. And go back to polymodeling. So for practice, I will create a simple polygon cube and rescale, click and drag to the right. For the first shape, I will scroll up and use the face mode. I will select the face at the top and then scroll down. I'm going to click extrude, rescale, click and drag the middle box to the left for uniform scaling, and then extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Next, extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. After modifying this one or extruding this shape, I will go back to object mode and then W, set aside this object. Next, practice again. Create another box, rescale, click and drag to the right. Now here, I'm going to create reverse ladder. So the same with the previous one, I will use the face mode. Select the top face, scroll down here, look for extrude, R for rescale, click and drag to the left, and then extrude, W, arrowhead downward. Next, extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left, and then extrude, W, arrowhead downward. Go back to object mode, W, set aside. To change the background color of our viewport, I'm pressing Alt and void, and then release. Next, to practice, I will use another box, rescale, click and drag to the right. For the next shape, go to face mode, select the top face and extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left, extrude, W, arrowhead downward, extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left. Extrude, W, arrowhead downward. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left. And extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Go back to object mode. W set aside. Another shape. Start with box, rescale, click and drag to the right. Next, face mode. Select the top face. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left. And then extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the right. Extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left. Extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the right. Extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Go back to object mode. W set aside. For the last shape to practice, start with box again. Rescale, click and drag to the right. And then face mode. Select the top face. Extrude, rescale, click and drag to the left. And then extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Next, rescale, click and drag to the right. Next, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Rescale, click and drag to the left. Next, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Rescale, click and drag to the right. And then extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Rescale to the left. Next, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Rescale, click and drag to the right. And then extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Last one, extrude, W, arrowhead upward. Rescale, click and drag to the left. Go back to object mode. W set aside. Next, let us practice the insert edge loop. I will create a simple box, rescale, and to duplicate, Control dog. W set aside. So for this shape, I'm going to use insert edge loop. First, allow me to activate the shading wireframe on shaded. Now, I will go to mesh tool and then use insert edge loop. For us to use the insert edge loop, we must be in object mode and then go to mesh tool, insert edge loop. Next, you can click and drag on vertical. Click and drag, release, click and drag, click and drag. So you may add subdivisions on vertical or horizontal edges. So click and drag, click and drag. After using the insert edge loop, go back to object mode and then go back to select tool. So here I will just select this one and press 3 to see the preview is smooth. So this is the result, the object with insert edge loop, and then here the object without using insert edge loop. So 3. Therefore, we are using the insert edge loop to um, make the edges more evident upon using the smooth preview or tree to make the edges more defined.